Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel Burris, and today we're diving deep into the hallowed halls of IKEA. But we're not talking about Billy bookcases and meatballs, though let's be honest, the meatballs are fire. We're talking about the Stockholm 2025 collection. I'm going to show you all the hidden gems and the pieces that make people say, that's from IKEA? A natural stone lamp from IKEA. This elegant lamp features a sleek, brass-colored foot anchored by a travertine base. The unique material variations of the travertine give each lamp base an individual character. Topped with a textured textile shade, this lamp emits soft, diffuse, and decorative light. And the heavy stone base, when I walked in, I was just like, is that travertine? I was pleasantly surprised, let's just say that much. This lamp is amazing, and if I didn't have so many lamps, I would get it. But anyway, go check it out. Picture this, you're strolling through IKEA expecting the usual dorm room decor, and then BAM! You see this mouth-blown beauty that looks like it walks ashore from some ultra-chic Mediterranean villa. This piece is more than just something to hold things. It's really cool art, and it's got a slightly uneven natural shape, so no two are ever the same. Now, you know I don't love much color, but this blue turquoise is giving an oceanic daydream or a vintage cocktail. It'll catch the light and your guests' eyes from across the room. And then if you toss in a handful of crystals or just let it sit empty on a floating shelf as a standalone sculptural moment, then it's even better. This bowl is just beautiful craftsmanship, and it says, yes, I adore practical design, but I also demand my home feels like it's curated. It's like, you know what? Look, I may be IKEA, but I have standards. Of course, people who shop at IKEA have standards, but some people might say that you don't. IKEA's reversible candlestick / tea light holder is your new accessory for ambiance on demand. Now you can flip it over one way and you got a sleek tower for your tall tapered candles. Then you give it a 180 spin and it transforms into a cozy tea light nest ready to cradle those tiny mood boosters while you binge to the latest true crime doc. Get ready to serve in style with IKEA's newest collection of matte black stoneware plates. Each plate possesses a distinct personality and is more than just a plate, it's a stage, crafted to showcase your culinary creations. Speaking of a stage, the plate's dramatic backdrop makes your food truly pop out and show guests as if each dish is illuminated by gallery lighting. Now, inherent uniqueness transforms every meal into a personalized experience, inspiring your table setting with individualistic charm that some dinnerware just cannot replicate. So if you're looking to elevate your dining experiences, consider embracing the beauty of imperfection and the understated luxury of IKEA's matte black stoneware plates. You can put meatballs on those plates. IKEA said, we are coming for your coin. Plush material and sleek curves? Think modern art meets Cuddle Central. The sections click together so you can go from a cozy 2 or 3-seater to a lounge fest in minutes. Plus, the velvet is so plush that you'll want to trade in your sweatpants for a smoking jacket. And because life happens, kids, pups, spilled wine, the velvet cover slips off and pops into the trash. Oh my God, it pops into the wash. Basically, the sofa is stylish and comfy and surprisingly low maintenance. It's bougie, but without the drama. It's like a best friend that your living room didn't know needed. This sofa is where luxury and looking kind of cool had a baby. It comes in 4 different colors: gray, a light brown, that blue color, also a darker, deeper brown. I'm here for it. My husband is not. He's lucky we don't need it right now, because if I did, we walked in there and my husband's like, looks chic. And I'm like, standards. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. For $349, it's time that you meet the chair that you never knew that your cheeks were dreaming of. It's IKEA's Stockholm armchair. And first of all, can we just appreciate that IKEA has been stepping it up consistently? This chair isn't just furniture, it's basically a hug disguised as decor. Its soft teddy bear fabric practically whispers, come here, baby. After a long, exhausting day of trying to adult. And the backrest and seat are loaded with foam that's firm enough to support your latest Netflix binge, yet soft enough that you'll never want to stand up again. Now, let's talk about those legs. Solid oak, baby. Strong, dependable, and stylish. Each one features unique wood grain detailing. This armchair reads minimalist elegance with a come snuggle vibe, meaning your guests will fight over it and your dog will try to claim it instantly. Bottom line is, it's stylish enough to impress your most judgmental friend, yet comfy enough for game marathons and sturdier than your last 3 relationships combined. So check it out. Okay, this walnut storage beast is about to conquer your clutter and your heart. Meet the ultimate cabinet glow up. You can stash everything here, from those plates I talked about earlier to an ever-growing stash of liqueurs or binders. It comes with deep shelves and 2 massive drawers, meaning you'll be able to finally win at hide and seek with your stuff. See those sleek fronts? 0 handles, 0 knobs, and that means 0 interference with your minimalist vibe. Just a satisfying open push system. In short, this walnut wonder isn't just storage, it's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and possibly your new BFF for keeping it all together. Mic drop. I probably shouldn't have done that. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, now that's all for my 7 high-end looking IKEA finds that prove that budget friendly can also be designer savvy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and let me know in the comments which of these finds is your favorite. Thank you for hanging out with me, and until next time, remember that design is life. Have a great day. Bye.